Here's something that surprises most Spanish learners. A sentence that sounds completely natural in Madrid would sound strange in Mexico City. And the other way around. The reason? Spain and Latin America use the past tenses differently. In this lesson, you'll understand exactly why and how to adapt. Hi, I'm Andres. Welcome back to our Intermediate Spanish Grammar B1 B2 course. This is Lesson 2. You already know both of these tenses from the A1-2 course, present perfect. Haber plus participio, he hablado, has comido, ha vivido, simple past. Pretérite, hablé, comiste, vivió. In English, these are clearly different. I have eaten, present perfect, versus I ate, simple past. In Spanish, the line between them depends on where you are. Spain. The present perfect is used for actions that happened recently or have a connection to the present moment. Esta mañana he desayunado tarde. This morning I had breakfast late. He visitado París 3 veces. I have visited Paris 3 times. Latin America, the simple past is preferred for both, even for very recent actions. Esta mañana desayuné tarde. This morning I had breakfast late. Visité París 3 veces. I visited Paris 3 times. Both are grammatically correct. The difference is purely regional usage, not a grammar rule. In Spain, the present perfect typically signals actions completed in a time period that includes the present, today, this week, this year. Life experiences without specifying when, actions whose results are still felt now. In Latin America, the simple past handles all of these naturally, without distinction. Let's compare directly. I lost my keys today. Spain. Hoy he perdido las llaves. Present perfect. Today still ongoing. Latin America. Hoy perdí las llaves. Simple past. Equally natural. She has never tried sushi. Spain. Nunca ha probado el sushi. Present perfect. Life experience. Latin America. Nunca probó el sushi. Simple past. Equally natural. We have just arrived. Spain. Acabamos de llegar. Both regions use acabar de for just. Latin America, acabamos de llegar. Same. This one's universal. A practical tip. If you're learning Latin American Spanish, like Mexican Spanish, lean toward the simple past in most everyday situations. If you're learning Spanish from Spain, use the present perfect for today, this week, this year. The most common mistake is assuming one variant is more correct than the other. Both are perfectly valid Spanish. The real error to avoid is mixing regional patterns inconsistently. Don't use Spanish-style present perfect while using Latin American vocabulary, or vice versa. Pick one variant and stay consistent within a conversation. Before I let you go, if you found this lesson useful but feel like some of the basics aren't fully solid yet, our free Spanish Grammar for Beginners A1-A2 course is right here on the channel. 13 lessons covering everything from ser versus estar to the past and future tense, completely free. Link is in the description below. And if you want to reinforce every lesson with structured practice, check out our A1-A2 practice workbook. 260 exercises with a full answer key. Also linked below. Now you understand not just two tenses, but also the regional dimension that makes real-world Spanish richer and more interesting. Next lesson, the future tense and the conditional. How to talk about what will happen and what would happen. See you there.